Very blissful and wonderful morning to all my students. Today we are going to start the page number 33 of GK. In this page we are going to deal with the topic threats to wildlife, means wild animals are under threat because of the human activities like hunting and poaching. Some animals has become extinct from the earth and some are on the stage of endangered and critically endangered. Now we are going to start with the few animals which either has become extinct or are on the endangered stage. First picture is of a flightless bird which once lived on the island of Mauritius. In the 1500s, European sailors began to hunt the bird, and by 1681 it became extinct from the earth. This flightless bird of the island Mauritius become extinct from the earth. The name of this bird is dodo. Write down the name in your book in front of the picture. Dodo. This dodo is flightless extinct bird. Next picture is of the animal which once found in the China and depends mainly on the bamboo shoots for their food. Due to clearing of the bamboo forest, less than 2000 mature animals of this category are estimated to remain in the wild, means a very small number was remaining and rest of the animal become extinct from the earth, and the name of this animal is giant panda. You must be familiar with this animal. Name is giant panda. Write down the name. Third picture is of the animal which once found throughout the India and it has now become critically endangered because of the loss of the habitat and because of the hunting. They are hunted for their body parts that are used in traditional Chinese medicine. It is also the national animal of both India and Bangladesh. Answer must have come to your mind. Yes, the name is Royal Bengal Tiger. Write down the name in your notebooks. Royal Bengal Tiger. This animal is the national animal of our country. Next picture is of the bird. This bird is found in New Zealand and it is the world's only flightless parrot and also the heaviest one. By 1950s, the species had become a victim of the competitors and the predators such as rats, cats, ferrets. Only about 100 remains, and the name of this special parrot, this flightless and the heaviest parrot, is kakapo. Write down the name in your books. Kakapo. Next is also a bird which is a migratory bird, means which can move from one place to the another place. It is a migratory bird and it has extinct due to excessive hunting by the man. They were found in the North America in the early 1800s and were slaughtered by the million in every year. The last known bird died in 1940 and the name of this bird is passenger pigeon. Write down the name in your books in front of the picture. This migratory bird name is passenger pigeon. Hope you all have written down the name. Next is the loin. The name of the animal is very famous because it only the animal found in the Gir forest. This is the big cat that only survive in the Gir forest, and excessive hunting and decline in the natural prey means the food was not there. The natural prey has reduced their number to around 500. The name of this animal is Asiatic loin. Then write down the name in your book. Asiatic loin. It is found only in the Gir forest. Hope you all have written down. Next is one of the largest carnivores animal. It was presumed extinct soon after the last captive individual died in 1936. A slender of the fox-faced animal that hunted at night. Its fur was yellow-brown with the skull that was remarkably similar to that of dog. You can see the face is similar to the fox, and the back and the skull of the animal is similar to the dog. The name of this animal is Tasmanian tiger. Write down the name, Tasmanian tiger. Next picture is of a flightless sea bird. This bird has been extinct since 1844. They were found on the rocky island of North Atlantic coast. The last non-species were killed in June 1844. About 80 of them are preserved in the museum. The name of this flightless seabird is great auk. Hope you all have done this page properly and written down the every name. Complete this page and learn properly. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.